Well, this plan of yours didn't turn out very well, did it?
That's an understatement. Now pull me out.
You had to know that Ranger was going to be really mad. He's a livestock guardian dog. You made Happi fall through the ice, then kidnapped Reese, the one he loved the most.
The plan sounded really good in my mind.
It was a terrible plan.
I need to fix this somehow.
Turn around. Walk away.
Just hear me out, Kay. I come to apologize. To you, to Reese, especially to Happi, to everyone. I have to apologize for my unkind behavior.
Words are not enough, you hooligan! Our precious Happi nearly froze to death.
I know that words aren't enough, see? So I brought some flowers and some cookies. Please accept my apology.
Thank you for the gifts. I forgive you. Please try to do better. Now good night.
I'll make it up to you, Reese. You'll see.
Coyote,
Yes, Mr. Ranger?
I don't believe your apology. I'm going to be watching every move you make. And if you misstep, I'll be coming for you.
Yes, I understand, Mr. Ranger.
Come and eat the cookies, Ranger. We will be watching him with you, Ranger. Yoo-hoo! Ranger! Save me! I've fallen in the lake!
Not again, Jessie. How many times do we have to do this?
3 more times. It's my favorite game.
Oh, all right then.